Hi, my dear, most awaited students. Again, I welcome you to the Practical English channel. You know, diligence never goes unrewarded. That means if you are working hard or if you are studying continuously, that means one day definitely you will get your reward. No one will take it. That's why it's my sincere request, being students, you should focus your mind on studies. That means nowadays you are getting many more platforms. You use it properly, go ahead, come to the topic, that is the past simple passive voice. Active voice and passive voice, Yesterday we have discussed about the past simple active form. Today our topic is passive voice. That means already it is told to you. That means active formula is that subject, main verb. As we are discussing about the past tense, so main verb, past form, then object. But as we are discussing about passive voice, so we have to take consideration passive formula. What you know the passive formula in present tense, in every form you know the formula. But here what is that? Now object will be turned into subject, that is right. Then be verb. Be verb means earlier you were taking the be verb of present tense. As we are discussing about the past tense, you should take be verb of past tense, that is was or were. Was is singular and were is plural. Okay. Then you know it is common for all. Main verb, that will be third form or the past participle form. Okay. Then by, then after that subject will be turned into object, that means agent form. It is not mandatory, it is not compulsory to use by or subject to object. Okay, it depends upon you, it's your choice. Okay, but now come to the here the major thing. In previous class I have already told you, that means she prepared the tea. Prepared means past tense. Okay, he bought some novels. Buy, bought. Okay, then the man taught us music. Teach, taught. Okay, he invited all of us. Invited. Then they laughed. Okay, laughed. Okay, members elected him the chairman. Elected. Okay, we named our son Revans. Named. My grandfather built this house. Built means built. We are discussing about the past tense, so it is the past tense. These are the past form: prepared, bought, taught, invited, laughed, elected, named, built. Okay, now if we break the past form, what will we get? Already in previous class I told you, if it is in past simple, that means did is there. Okay, you take the did. After did what comes? Now you come to the present form, root form of the verb, root part of the verb. What is the root part of the verb? Prepare. Did plus prepare. Okay, but like did plus buy, bought, not bring, brought, it is not brought, but. Okay, taught, did plus teach, taught. Invited, did plus invite. Then laughed, did plus laugh. Then elected, did plus elect. Named, did plus name. Built, did plus built. Why I did this? Because it will be easy to make the negative in active form. That means you know all the sentences, there are 8 sentences, all are in active form. We have to turn into passive form. In which way? Now all are in active form and declarative. First, what we will do? Now, first we will take the declarative, then we will turn into passive, declarative, passive. Then we will turn into negative, then negative, passive. Then we will turn into interrogative, yes or no. Then we will have to turn into interrogative, passive. Then WH word passive, W interrogative means WH word is also there. WH word question will make it active. Then we will turn into passive. If in this way you are doing your practicing day to day life, that means already I have given you the guarantee that what you will write, that will be right. That means we should speak right, write right. Okay, write right, and speak right, If you want to acquire these two things, definitely you should go through all these videos. Only 15 to 20 minutes. You have to spend only 15 to 20 minutes. If you are watching all the videos and you are practicing and you are doing, definitely after 2 or 3 months you will get the benefit. When you will get the benefit, at that time you will say, sir, what you have told, whether it is right or wrong. Okay, thank you. I gossiped a lot with you. Now come to voice form. We will turn into voice change. Okay, first this is declarative. Which one will take? Anyone? Okay, we will take this one. We named our son Rivans. Suppose it is we named our son Rivans. Okay, it is the subject, it is verb. Verb is divided into two parts, did plus remove. We named our son Rivans. Then which one is subject? It is the verb, past tense, object, and it is also object. Two objects. One is a direct object, one is indirect object. Where you are getting two objects, you can take anyone. You can take anyone. Okay, suppose we will take our son, passive. It is declarative, it is active. We will make it passive. We will make it passive. That means subject, object will come. Suppose you take our son. Okay, our son. Okay, then come to here. You will know that it is in past simple. Okay, past simple means what you will take, object to subject over here. Then be verb. Be verb means was or were. Singular. Our son, how many sons? One son. That means singular. Our son was. Clear? Clear. Then come to main verb, third form. Which one is the main verb? Name. Name, named, named. Okay, our son was named Rivans. Clear? Passive form. We have taken the direct object. If anyone wants to take Rivans, I will take. Okay, no problem. Rivans. Singular or plural? Singular. So it will be was. Rivans was. Then main verb, third form. Name, named, named. Rivans was named to our son. To our son. But I have already told you, by or agent form, it depends upon. If you interested to write, you can write by us. Our son was named Rivans by us, or Rivans was named to our son by us. It depends upon whether you will write or not. Okay, it is, what is that? Active, passive. Here I got two passive because two objects are there. One is direct object, another one is indirect object. Okay, then we will make it negative. Negative, if you know how to make the negative, it will be easy. That means named means did plus name. See, in between you have to use not. That means we did not name our son Rivans. We negative. We did not name, not named. We did not name our son Rivans. Okay, now it is active, negative, active. It is negative, active. We have to make it negative, passive. We have to make it negative, passive. Then what we will do? Same thing here. Our son was. That means you will take our son. Come, our son. Then past tense, singular was. You have to use not. Our son was not named Revans. Clear? If someone wants to take no sir, we will take Revans. Okay? Same thing. Revans was not named to our son. Revans was not named to our son. Clear? ये passive, negative passive, negative passive. Clear? It is negative active, negative passive. Clear? Then come to interrogative. Interrogative means yes or no. First you will make it yes or no. How you will do? Already I have told you in present tense. That means what you will do? Suppose our son was named Revans. Okay, our son was, we named our son. Named means did plus name. So bring the did. Did we name? Did we name our son Revans? Question mark. Same thing in passive voice. What will they here see? Did we name our son Revans? That means our son was coming. The beginning for our son, what we are using? Was we are using. So you bring the was first. Was our son named Revans? Clear? Same. If you know one, it will be very easy. Why I am adopting this formula? You have to make practice. If you practice more, you will remember. Automatically the formula will come to your mind. You can able to do it in your mind. Okay. That means another thing. What was that? Did we name our son Revans? Suppose our son you have taken. Say was Revans. Was Revans named to our son? Clear? Clear? If you are practicing, then it will be easy. If you are not practicing, if you are not doing at home the homework, then it will be very difficult. It is clear cut. Because now you have the time. You have to go ahead. You take first step. You take the steps. Definitely within a few span of time, you will get your result. Okay, don't think that it is an easy one. If you practice in every moment, you can do it. Okay, it is completed. Then come to interrogative completed. These are the interrogative. Interrogative active and interrogative passive. Interrogative active and interrogative passive. Now what is there? Now that is WH word. How WH word will do? Okay, may I erase it? Okay. Okay, WH word. Now ask the question. Okay, who or what? Who named our son Revans? Suppose one question became who named our son Revans? Or what did, or number 2 issue, what did we name our son? Answer will come Revans. So who named? That means already while you are going to make it passive, that means who means by whom. Clear? Remember it. By whom ka baad what will come? You are taking object our son. Our son is singular. Then our son was. So by whom? After by whom you have to use was. By whom was our son. Then verb third form. Named. By whom was our son named Revans? It is passive form. It is passive form. Clear? Or what did we name our son? Answer will come Revans. Then what? You bring the what? What? Our son, singular. After what? You will follow the verb. What was named to our son? Clear? That means active, passive. Active, passive. That means while you are writing, you should use simple plain English, that means active form or passive form, but both the meanings are same. But if you have read newspaper, maximum time you will find passive form also. So in this way, passive form helps us to increase our vocabulary. That means what you will read, that will be right, and what do you want to speak, that will be right. Okay, no one will show you the finger. Number 1 is completed. Number 2, simply I am discussing, and rest you will do. Rest you will do. Why I am giving 1 and 2, I am solving here. Others rests are being given as homework. You will do. If you face any problem, then you can send it in comment box. Okay, that means he bought some novels. Okay, what will come first? Some novels plural, past tense we are discussing. Some novels were by but some novels were bought by him. You can write, you may not. Some novels were bought. Some novels were bought. Then make into negative. He did not buy some novels. He did not buy. Bought means did plus buy. Use not. He did not buy some novels. So while you are making in passive voice, what will happen? Some novels were not bought. Some novels were not bought. Clear? ये passive, ये declarative passive, ये negative passive. Then come to make it interrogative. Interrogative means bought means did plus buy. You bring the did first. Did he buy some novels? Did he buy some novels? Okay, here did he buy? So here you are taking some novels where? Where some novels? Where some novels bought by him? You can write, you may not. Okay, then what did he buy? Question. What did he buy or who bought some novels? These two types. We will make it what did he buy. That means what did he buy means you will keep what? For what? You are taking the novels. Novels where? What were bought by him. What were bought by him? Novels were bought by him. Clear? Did you understand? Any problem? Any problem? Do practice. Definitely you will win to all. One day you will come to the front. Thank you. Keep it up.